Think you can't make that famous Popeyes Blackened chicken sandwich at home? Think again. This copycat recipe is easier than you've ever imagined. You are going to first begin by combining water, salt, and sugar together for a brine. This is the game changer and it keeps the chicken incredibly juicy. Refrigerate for about 12 hours. Then you're going to pat your chicken dry and pound it out thin to where it has a uniform thickness. Then we're going to add on lots of Cajun spice. I love the McCormick's Cajun spice blend. It's perfect. Let's toast the buns with a little bit of butter in the skillet, and when they are browned, remove them. There you get about a little bit of oil in your skillet, and go ahead and cook those chicken breasts for about 5 minutes on each side. Next, we're going to build our sandwich. Mayonnaise, pickles, the sandwich, and a little bit more mayonnaise. Just look at that gorgeous chicken. Who says you need to leave home for restaurant quality chicken? Save this recipe and make it tonight. And if you want more great recipes, come to copycat.com.